Okay, nodes. So creating a Markdown plugin, building a backend. So this is what we're gonna need to do. Build. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, so user prompts content. Oops, that's wrong. This is user, and this is role. Ollama REST API. Is there a way I can export this? Export Postman. Export Postman collection. Smarter. Is there a tool? API usage. Postman Swagger. Okay. Generate Swagger schema. I don't want to do that. Okay, so let's try chat post streaming. So that's, for example, we're passing the model. What else? Do we have any documentation here? Yeah. Okay. Chat completion with history. History, yeah. With tools, examples. How about options? Model input. Completion. Listen mode. Options. Set custom options. Yeah, okay. Request with options. Chat, can you do the same thing with... Well, I guess... If we're talking about completion, this is not a chat, but I think it should be similar. Options. So they don't actually have... curl stream. Oh, okay. So options is here. Code snippet, streaming. Data, top K. So it's within that. Repeat, micro. But this is generate. Model stream options. Seed 0. So let's try that. Curl. not story. Bash history, not story. Multi-line commands. This should be the default hist. Message opt command history hist format. So if I try that again, let's say this is chat completion streaming. 3.1. Okay, so that's good. What? Crow. What? Okay, bash history, new session, not picked up. Prompt command, hist append. Really? Don't override it. Oh. Is that really the case? I don't think so. Creating a new session and I guess creating a new window. Yeah, no. Yeah, no. What the hell? After each command, reread it. Avoid duplicates. Ignore dupes. Erase dupes. Yeah. History A in default. In fact, prompt command. Emacs. Okay, curl. Oh shit. It's not picking up the history. That is freaking sad. Curl. Data. Multi-line commands is stored separate way in bash history. S. Should probably just use SH. MCD made tier. Let hist. Is depend, which is already being done. FT hist file size. Sad. I'll just do that. And so chat completion. Yeah. Stream. True. Yep. Okay, so now that we have that, need to figure out how to do a curl within NeoVim. NeoVim Lua make curl request. Plenary. My intention is they implemented it. I think I found a plugin. NeoVim weather plugin. this default is let's see. W again. P open, read all. H close. Curl. Let's see. So GitHub GP curl config dispatcher curl parameters. Yes, yeah. Deep copy. Where's the curl? Tasker. GP tasker. Get query is b run. So 10 debug run command handle busy. Alright, is it add handle read start. So UV, we're using UV, which is loop read start. Standard output. Standard error. New pipe. But how do you know if I'm not schedule wrap on exit? Gotcha. So you're spawning the command, you're passing the arguments, and then you're passing these callbacks. Gotcha. Okay. But what if I don't want to use? It's too complicated. Read, curl, stream, and then Lua. Send curl. And Lua, then read each stream chunks in any of them. Let's see. Any of them. Socket HTTP. L LTN 12. What the hell is that? Lua LTN 12. LTN. What is this? Osaki. What is LTN? LTN. What is LTN? Lua module. 12. HTTP responses. Okay. Right. HTTP request. Post HTTP request. And receives a stream response. So it adds it to the sync. So you have that your source is the post data. So let's pass. Try completion, and then we're piping that to the previous command. Yeah, I don't need the explanation. So let's try that. Lua. Okay, take that. So let's see, endpoint. Oh, this is the right. No, that's not. LLM. Oh, because it hasn't finished yet. Gotcha. Tmux. Copy mode. Okay. Up to there. Okay. What the hell? It's now picking it up. I guess let's just wait for it to finish. Yeah. Okay. Logs. Curl. Yep. Test. Paste that there. Lua test. Socket HTTP not found. Using native Lua. Okay, so you want to do a socket. That's very ugly. Native Lua. Strands. Neo them Lua. Let's try that. Yeah, we want to use curl. We're asking the system, yeah. Okay, and then once we have the response, yeah, I guess we could try that. So from here, let's see, test. Yeah. So this is where all of that Lua file. Where's the vim not print? Okay. So you have these, which is, I don't know, a JSON response. So we're passing every chunk. How do we read that? And then we're adding it to the buffer. So let's just say this is each responses. So we're saying is, in the current buffer, we're adding all those, right? Yeah, so let's see. Let's take all these code and let's just make it into a function. Yeah, so function, let's just say append to buffer chunk, line 20. Yeah. And there we go. So that's append to buffer, you're accepting a chunk. So instead of a new word, we're saying chunk. Now we're taking, so how to parse JSON in Lua. JSON parse, Lua parse JSON. Okay. Natively, so there's no native way to do that. Okay, fine. Can we do, let's see, curl, sh, can we say JQ? Alright, so we can ask JQ to do that, but then just take the message dot content. Yeah, let's try that. Let's do, can we do silent? Okay. So we can do that. Now, if we go back there, location. Location. Silent. So we're getting the response. We have a curl. We're passing the payload. I mean, we can probably just do. This is a Lua string, and then after that, let's pass like a pipe it to JQ dash R dot message dot content. Let's see what the response is. A Lua file. It's not taking it. So the response is, let's see. Let's try that again. Nah. Girl assistant content. So I don't know how you would actually pipe it to that. Oops, sorry. Maybe that? I don't know. So, is it because last line responses? So it's not actually doing the curl response. And then maybe not function out system. Okay. Is this I wonder why it's not taking that. Oh. Messages. Did I do something wrong? Oh, okay. I did something wrong. There we go. Vim function system. So we're taking response. We're taking the response. We're piping that. Formatted response. JQ, and then we're passing it some arguments. Dash R dot message dot content. That's a good question. Let's see. JQ dash R dot message dot content. So if you have this string, Yeah, no, it doesn't. Okay. Okay, so it's message content. What is happening? Message content. So every time Vim FN system. Vim.fn.system. Okay, there's Vim FN system documentation. What commands? Built in. Function API. Crazy. Documentation is hard. Standard library. Vim print. Vim. I don't see it. Vim.fn. Lower guide. Variables. Okay, so we have this function, a Vim function. Gotcha. So you have your system here. Curly braces. System. Yeah. Okay. So this Vim.system, a command string system list, and then what you get is cat foo ampersand. It was backgrounded, equivalent to echo foo bash c. Gotcha. Okay. You'll not be able to reconnect. Yes.